I mean, we are just so thrilled with how everything has come out. I mean, the experience, honestly, we felt so consulted and involved and engaged. You know, we couldn't have done it on our own, and we just loved how the vision just translated piece by piece into reality. Now, admittedly, when you're going through something like this, there's just constant moments of, and as we worked with the Regency crew, I mean, particularly Norm and Ellie and all of his contractors, they just really kept our minds at ease, took us through the process, asked us questions, constantly checked in with us. Do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like this? And, don't let me do all the talking.
I think what I was particularly pleased with was the quality of the work.
Yeah.
From the electricians to the plumbers to the painters to the craftsmen who came and put in the floors.
Meticulous.
It was just such quality work, and it was such a delight to come home every day from work and say, wow, look at this, it was transforming before our eyes. So beautiful.
Right. Yeah, and I mean, I think because of the pandemic, I'm not traveling, and so I was home a lot, and I also have to give them props for not being disruptive. I mean, everything happened right here. It was very well contained, and just...
Well, and they also make use of some wonderful tools, so you can go right online and see what's happening, who's coming that day, what time they'll be arriving.
Oh, the scheduling tools,
Everybody's
the builder trend.
so prompt. We were never surprised. It was seamless. One of the things I was really thrilled with is that I wanted to keep some of the old features of a Cleveland Heights home. This was originally the ironing board closet, and we wanted to keep it. It's now a spice cabinet. It's perfect. We love it. So that was one thing that was really important to me. The other thing was the laundry chute. The laundry chute's over here. We had the option of getting rid of this entire column. It would have given us a lot more room, but in Cleveland Heights, we use our laundry chutes. And I wanted to keep the laundry chute, so we were able to do that. And then instead of getting rid of all of this, we put in this incredible hidden corner that has this really great, amazing hidden cupboard. And this has really been an amazing addition to our kitchen. It makes it look so much larger, and it's so beautiful. Well done, very well done. It was a closet.
An old pantry.
We called it the kelder. That's a Dutch word for pantry, for basement closet. And it had doors, and it was just like makeshift little shelves in here, and it was just packed with stuff. And now it's just so beautiful and clean and pretty. And we're very happy with how it turned out. One of the things that we really enjoyed also about our new kitchen is that we didn't want to change the footprint too much because we knew that what we had was working. So when we got the new island, just changed a little bit. It's just, we have a little more space. It feels a little more easy to maneuver. We have a little more space here, but for the most part, the footprint of the kitchen has remained. This has been a wonderful addition over here. We have this built-in around our fridge, which we did not have. And it gives us the opportunity to have some pull-outs and storage options that we didn't have before. Really pleased.
So here's what the creative side of me is really excited by this space, because we went with really quality materials, particularly these countertops from Forenza Stone with this really nice quartz material. It's got kind of a matte, more of a satiny finish, reflects everything because this space is very bright. With these poles, there's just a really tremendous attention to detail, and this is again something that Norm and Ellie and the whole Regency team really insisted on. So it just feels really harmonious. We wanted the kitchen to feel softer, a little bit more feminine. We chose these wall colors, we chose the flooring, just everything ties together so well.
One of the reasons why we chose the materials we chose is because we wanted our kitchen to just flow into our garden. And we're avid gardeners. We have a very small yard, and we wanted to do everything we could to bring the flower garden into the kitchen. So we put in this lovely light and this 510 light door, and then we can go right out onto our beautiful new deck, which Regency did for us. Again, such superb quality of materials and craftsmanship. We're really happy with everything that's come together for us. So one of the things we wanted for our new kitchen was the ability to sit at this cupboard, because we have a lot of birds and we're bird watchers. And our old kitchen had some cabinets here and we weren't able to sit. So Norm and his crew built a custom radiator cover here so that we can now sit at this counter and drink our coffee and watch the birds in our garden.
That's obviously really, really important. Everybody was very conscientious. The work people all wore masks. Everybody was washing their hands and maintaining distance. That's not an easy thing to do, being on a construction site and doing renovation during the peak of summer, but they did it.
They had plastic assembled in the kitchen so that all of the dust would be contained. We wanted some of the old material, which they put down in the basement for us. It was very easy to maneuver. All of the mess they cleaned up. We had mess in the driveway. They came promptly, got that all cleaned up. So there was almost nothing for us to do in terms of cleanup.
Hopefully people who are watching this will recognize is that this is a home like the home that you live in. As Cleveland Hiders, as 216ers, we have this wonderful old housing stock, and these homes deserve this kind of TLC, and I hope you'll call Regency if you have such a need.
You won't be disappointed.